Here's your small block Ford. Just got done running. Give you a description of this combination. Obviously Borla, beautiful polished setup. Fuel management, Terminator X, it's max. It's got the March serpentine belt, custom grind hydraulic roller. It's got a set of our heads on it. Take you in there and show you how it ran. Alrighty, 3,489 foot-pounds of torque, peaks torque 517, peaks horsepower 504, rated 500. It's got a front end on it, so it runs really good. That's the Borla. Get her off there, get in a crate, come your way. Have a great day.